Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to set Google Translate as the default translation app on your iPhone and iPad. Thanks to the recent update, you can now set Google Translate as your default translation app on your iOS and iPadOS device, replacing Apple's built-in Translate app as the go-to option. So, if you're fond of Google Translate and wish to make it your default translation tool, let me guide you through. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, it's worth pointing out that you'll have to install the latest version of the Google Translate app because this feature has been added in the recent update. To do so, you just have to open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. After that, you have to find the Google Translate app and update it just like any other app. And then you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select the App section. Then you have to tap Default Apps. Then you have to tap Translation and choose Google Translate instead of Apple Translate, and that's about it. You have successfully set Google Translate as your default translation app. It's also important to point out that iOS 18.4 and the iPadOS 18.4 added the ability for users to set a different translation app as the default, and Google seems to be the first company to add support for the function. Users worldwide can select Google Translate as an alternative, and there are also options for changing the default email, messaging, calling, browser, and password apps. In the EU, users can also select a different default navigation app such as Google Maps, and that's about it. Now give this all new feature a try, and I'll catch you up in the next one.